Please come and take the tickets. Please come and take the tickets. Tickets are going out. Please come and tickets. Okay, madam. Okay, now. Please take the tickets. In a short while, we are going to start the Tombola game, please. I will count out the numbers, please. Those who have taken tickets, please don't go outside. Please stay here.
Bablu, Ijudu.
Shall we start? Yes or no? And those who are not taken tickets, please come and take the ticket. Come and take. You can take any tickets. Yeah. Shall I start? Let's start now. Yes, sir. Counting down. Yes, I'm starting. 1 digit. You take 1 digit. Take 1. Yagam here. Give me. Yes, the luckiest first number is 25. Okay.
3 lines.
1 gift. There is 3 lines, 1 gift. And Jaldi 5. Full off also. 1 gift separately you can give, sir. So the first number 78. Less than 50 from 1.
ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి. హాయ్. బాబ్లు హలో ఇటు చూడు. హాయ్ హాయ్ హాయ్. దాన్ని చేయించు.
3131.
హాయ్ నాన్న.
3131.
హాయ్ నాన్న. తేజు. బాబ్లు ఇటు చూడు. తేజు హాయ్.
I'm taking another number.
ఒక్క నిమిషం హ్యాండ్ కూడా ముందు.
I'm taking another number of 1 0. It is 1069. 6969. The next number is, I'm going to take, the next number is, ladies and gentlemen, please listen for me. 5050. 5050. 5050. Another number. This is also reverse countable number. The 4343. Number is 4343. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take another number. The number is 9090. The number is 9090. In our chart, the last number is 90. Completed, common. Give me 6161.
Hand down there, ma.
Okay. Okay, no problem. The next number is, let's enter. Thank you, madam. Give me a big hand once again, please. Okay, thank you, madam, for completing the 535. Okay, now taking another number, ladies and gentlemen. This is also reverse countable number 3232. 3232. Again, I am taking number, ladies and gentlemen, 1616. The number is 1616. Ladies and gentlemen, another number I am taking 7676. 7676. Ladies and gentlemen, 7676 hour and 1414. 1414. Ladies and gentlemen, I am taking the wonderful number. This is also magic number 7777. The 7777. 7777. Okay. Now the number is 6. After 5, 6. 6. The number is 6. It looks like reversible number 9. Only 6. 6 after 6. 7070. 7070. The number is 7070. 68. After 68, the number is, ladies and gentlemen, 5959. 5959. 5959. Ladies and gentlemen, after 59, 4848. 4848. After 48, the ladies and gentlemen, the number is 45. And gentlemen, the 4545. After 4545, ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking number 3333. 3333. 3333, ladies and gentlemen. I'm taking another number. Please look at like. Ladies and gentlemen, the number is 9. The number is 9. 9. Ladies and gentlemen, the number is 9. Which comes before 10. The number is 9. After 9, 7979. 7979. Ladies and gentlemen, and next number is after 79. The number is, ladies and gentlemen, 9898. 86. Sorry, it's 86. Not 86. 86. Yes. After 86, ladies and gentlemen. After 86, 17. 17, ladies and gentlemen. After 17, the number is second. The second 2. The number is 2. The number is second. Next number is after second. The next number is 7, which comes before 8. The number is 7, which comes after 6. The number is 7. Next number is, ladies and gentlemen, 3, 8, 38. 3, 8, 38. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Ladies and gentlemen, madam is requesting to count down. Already finishing numbers. Please do a concentration. I am reading down those who are completed numbers. The number 1 is now 2. After 2, 6, 7, 9, 10. In first line, the completed numbers. In second line, ladies and gentlemen, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19 are completed. In fourth line, 31, 32, 33, 37, 38, the completed numbers. Next line, 43, 45, 48, 50. The next line, only 69, only 59 number is completed. The next line, 61, 68, 69, 70. The next line is 76, 77, 78, 79. Ladies and gentlemen, the last row, 8, 6, 9, 0 are completed. Now the balance numbers are there. Please watch and take your concentration about these numbers. Now the number is, next number is 4646. 4646. And the next number is 7474. Some little bit I am doing fast. Please give your concentration. 7474. Next number is, okay, ladies and gentlemen, next number is 72. The next number is only 5. Only 5. The next number is 11, double one. The number is double one. The next number is 5757. 5757. Ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, completed. Yes, madam. Last line completed. One. She won the good gift. Okay. Okay. Thank you, madam, for participating. And the next number is only 3. Only 3. Only 3. Only 3, please. Wow, this is a wonderful number. After 3, the number is 1. Number 1. Number 1. And the number 5656. లైన్ ఇది అక్కడక్కడ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ గా కొట్టారు, అలా ఉండదు. ఓకే, సారీ. ఓకే, కొంచెం next number is 5858. 5858. 5858. The next number is 8484. 8484. 8484. The next number is 1 to 12. 12. The number is 12. The number is 12. The next number is line అయితే ఏంటంటే మేడం 6. Okay, 6 and 38. Yes, 38, 58, 58, 76. Yes, 76. 86. Wow. Okay, 86 also completed. Before madam, Padmaja garu oka gift techukunnarandi. Give her a big hand. ఓకే లాస్ట్ లైవ్ ఇస్తారంటే ఎందుకంటే ఇచ్చిన ప్రతి వారికి లాస్ట్ లైవ్ ఇస్తారేమో అనుకున్నాను నేను. ఓకే ఓకే అంటే గిఫ్ట్ ఇస్తారేమో అనుకున్నాను. గిఫ్ట్ కదా. ఓకే మేడం కూర్చోండి మేడం మీరు. The first row is going to complete now. The number is 4. The number is 4. Here in the chart the number 1 first row is completed. If you have completed first row, please come and get prize. Otherwise I will count down. Okay. Yes. 7373. 7373. 3030. 3030. 8787. What's your name? Jayanti, give her a big hand, please. Okay. Goma 6464. 6464. Full house you are completed, madam. 1 11 33 33 33